So for planter beds, I would suggest using crushed rock. They come in different colors and different sizes. So that would be more decorative and for the aesthetics of it. Also, if it's a pathway or an area that would get foot traffic or an area that pets might walk there and use it, you don't want to go with anything that is on the sharper side. They are rounded rocks that you can use for that, so they're easier to walk on. Again, they come in different colors and sizes. You can mix different colors together or different sizes together to create your own unique style of rocks. That would be for planter beds. I can also do patios or a driveway out of them. That would be a different method of installation, and you probably want a contractor to do that for you because at that point you will need to prepare the base and the foundation for it the right way.